Hi guys, welcome back to 1969 teardrop restoration. Yesterday we took apart this spring leaf bushing bolt from the trailer. Okay, this is the original one. Um, I show you this already. So it has a grease fitting. It has those two little holes right here on the side. Okay, so I went to the local Napa and I went to the local tractor place. Of course, they don't have it. So I went online. They have it in China. Guess what? It cost so much money. So I found nothing wrong with it. Okay, I'm gonna still use this one. This is the regular bolt, which doesn't give me the greasing capability to grease this bushing, because this part, you gotta remember, it's a lot of movements in it. It's up and down, the way you're driving, the way the highways perform. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna use this bolt. Anyway, this bolt I purchased in a local tractor store. It's regular bolt, same thread. Okay, so it's exactly the same thing, but this one, it's at least 1/3 heavier than this one. So I think this one is made from the steel, but maybe not good enough for myself. I rather use the 50 years old one, and I'll be happy with this one more than with the new one. So this is original bushing. This is the piece which goes, see how easily it goes in and out, okay, in a spring leaf. On top of it, there is a lot of play right here where when the bolt is in it. So no choice, tough times. Okay, I made my own bushing. Okay, so as you can see, this is the old one, this is the new one I made. You can see that there is a much tighter fit. This one is worn out. This one, that's what I'm gonna do. And by the way, I made it from PVC pipe, which is the regular PVC pipe. It's in black, kind of gray. You can see the thickness of it. Okay, so my bushing, I shave it a little bit around it to make it fit more tighter in a spring leaf eye. So very inexpensive. This one is rated 650 psi, so it's a better plastic than white thing. So if you have to do it something yourself, use this material. Is better vinyl plastic material. Now I want to show you. So this is my old bolt. This is the grease gun. Okay. So it's actually, you put your fitting over here. I don't know if there's any close-up. Oh, you see that the grease is coming through this little hole. Okay, okay, that's how this works. It's grease. This little hole, the channel in a bolt, and this little hole grease the bushing inside, so the moving parts are actually well greased. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna actually put this bushing inside. So we're gonna put the bushing in, okay? So let's use a little bit of the grease right here on the bushing, and we're gonna kind of, you know, pound in this thing with the hammer. Okay, I have a little bit of excess of it, so I'm gonna grind it to make it even with the spring. I did that because I want this thing, it's a tight fit, okay? I want to actually push in inside. So let's see what's gonna happen. Now I want to try align the opening in a spring leaf in a trailer holder hose, okay? Okay, so it's not aligning. So this thing, it's a moving part. It's actually moving, so I'm gonna pound this because I need some. Okay, this side looks pretty good. Okay, let me see that the bolt's gonna fit. So, old bolt, new washer. Okay, so it's coming from this way. Okay, it's not going easily. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the new bolt just to make it go through it, so it will align the spring to the frame. Okay, I don't want to pound it. I don't want to pound it. I'm gonna actually use the screw in motion, and to do that I'm gonna use this little machine. Okay, as you see, the bolt is already in. I'm gonna actually make it nice, and now I'm gonna unscrew it so this bolt will actually go out, so I can use the original one. Beautiful. So this is my old bolt. See how nice and easy actually goes. Maybe just a little bit. Yeah, the bolt is in. Now we're gonna use the washer, okay, and the nut. And I don't want to use the impact gun, okay. I want to do it by hand, so I have a better feeling in it how tight it is. Okay, I need the counter wrench. Okay, so nice and tight. And now we're gonna grease the fitting, this bushing. Okay, so this is my grease gun. Okay. Oh, okay, as you see, that's the grease right here. You can see it. It's coming right from over here. Okay, but you're still going because you want this grease to come in actually from every single opening. So on this side and this side, grease is pretty cheap, so keep pounding. Okay, it's actually even come on other side, which is good. So this part is well greased. Okay, and now the close-up. So as you see, okay, let me use the flashlight. You can have the grease coming from okay, very nice. This one is probably somewhere over there. I don't know that the camera can catch it. I cannot fit my head over there, but anyway. So, very nice. So this is my wheelbase. Okay, and this is the wheel bearing. It has also the grease fitting. Okay, we're gonna put the grease gun. So I'm gonna grease the wheel bearing. Okay, as you can see, let's go a little bit close up. All those little holes, those fittings, so the access of the grease is actually coming out of the bearings. Okay, you can see it. Okay, and look at it, how nice and quiet this bearing is. Very nice, very pleased. You can keep always the access of the grease right here. There is the little cap which goes right back on it. Okay, and this will prevent the grease to go outside. It's actually, when it's moving, it's actually greasing. Let's see how this one, it's noisy or not. Much noisier. You can hear it. It's not greased yet. But you can actually hear a little bit of the noise, okay? So now we're gonna do this bolt. Okay, probably we're gonna use the same bolt. I have a second bushing I made for this side. We're gonna grease the wheel bearing, and we're gonna be all set. We're gonna put the wheels, and we're gonna put this camper down, because we need this this lift for the other projects. And right in maybe tomorrow, maybe into 2 days, I'm gonna show you. I purchased this lift, the scissor lift, okay, made in America. I'm waiting actually for the switch for the pump, and I'm actually going to install this and make this operational. This is the old switch, which is broken right here. So I ordered the switch online. It should be tomorrow. So I'm gonna actually put in right here on a motor, and I already have everything set up right here on the wall, which is 220. That's a kill switch, okay? And this is the wire which actually is connected to this box. It's a feed for the motor, and I have made the pressure hose for the hydraulic, and we're gonna be in business. We're gonna have 2 lifts in this garage. So this is a 30 amp kill switch, and this thing is gonna end up probably tomorrow on the wall, and we're gonna start making this lift operational. This is steel support. I'm gonna use it for the aluminum frame. It's just the way I wanna have this thing last. I wanna have this thing last forever, okay? For the, you know, to see the next generation. Check my next video. We're gonna do a lot of improvements and fun stuff. So see you later, guys.